Although photographs are an essential part of our blog, videos are equally important as well. As already explained, every text we publish should be useful and interesting to the reader. Therefore, adding one or more videos with extra information will certainly help readers learn more about the subject. The simplest option would be to shoot the videos we post on our blog ourselves. However, this is not always possible nor necessary. Therefore, we can just search for videos that complement our article and give the readers the extra information they need. Indeed, a trick that can be used is to follow the reverse procedure. Identify a useful video and, based on that, write an article. This is a guaranteed and tested technique used by many people. Just don't overdo it. How do we find interesting videos? Before resorting to YouTube, it's good to remember that it's not the only video service in town. Once again, we can use Google to find interesting and relevant videos by using the Video tab. Suppose we are interested in finding a video on wind energy. We can go to Google and search for videos on wind power. Then we click on the Video tab and see the following results. As we can see in the screenshot image, there are videos that are found on web pages other than YouTube. As Google has its own quality rating algorithms, we know that these videos will usually be of high quality and relevance. When we find a video that interests us, we can include it in our article. Most videos, if not all, have an option to embed them into an article. Although the process of sharing or embedding a video may vary, many websites, especially the ones with informative news content, will allow you to use their videos on your blog. Similar to the process that we previously mentioned regarding embedding photos from Getty, we simply need to look for the share or embed options on the video and copy the HTML code provided by the site to embed the video in our article. In a few cases, there might not be an option for the video to be embedded in a blog post. In this case, we need to check whether that video is also posted somewhere else, such as YouTube or Vimeo. We can use these video sites to search for the video by either typing its title or searching for relevant keywords. If you still cannot find it, but you absolutely need to make use of that video, then it is advisable to seek external technical assistance or contact the person who set up your blog to help you add the particular video to your post. Facebook is an excellent source for interesting and engaging videos. Unfortunately, because of the long rivalry between Facebook and Google, the latter rarely displays videos from Facebook in its search results. However, we can force Google to show videos from Facebook in its results page by using its advanced search tools. As in the previous example, suppose we want to search for a video on wind power from Facebook. Again, we go to the Google video option and type the following command: wind power site, facebook.com. With this command, we ask Google to present exclusively videos from Facebook and not from other sites. But beware, the syntax is important. The words site and facebook.com must be attached together. There must be no space between them, otherwise we will not get the results we are looking for. Then if we find a video that interests us, we click on it, then go to Options and check the following: Embed Post / Embed Publication. This will appear on the left side of the screen. Once pressed, we will again see some HTML code that we can use to embed this video in our article.